Hey, what's up, OpenStack Central Florida? This is Donnie. Hey, I'm wishing all you guys, I'm going to start by wishing all you guys a happy new year. Sorry I haven't pulled the group back together as quickly as planned, but I've been super busy. I moved into a new house. Yay! Um, and I also have been heads down at work working on a new project that I have to get out. It's actually a orchestration class, and then I have a cloud class that I have to work on. So that's what's been going on. In the meantime, I'm making this video because our certificate has expired on the server. So we put this in over 90 days ago. So there was some time back in October that we got together and we configured this and got everything up and running. So the goal here is to do a come on, brain. It's like 11 o'clock. My brain's shot. Is to do a renewal of the certificate. So let's talk about what we did. Logged into the server, and I basically had to run a where is command for let's encrypt. So I did a where is command for, and I'll do a clear screen here. I did a where is command for let's encrypt because I wasn't sure where it was located. And it tells me that let's encrypt is in two different spots. It's in user bin, but there's nothing really here. I believe this is an alias. And all the files for let's encrypt is in the etc. So that's where I went and initially checked, and lo and behold, everything is in that folder. In fact, if you look at my prompt, you can see I'm there now. If I do it ls.al, you can see this, there's everything in there. In fact, I should do it ls.a. But I just made it go lengthwise, but you can see this is all the contents in it. So archives, accounts, CSRs, keys, live. I actually even have a renewal folder. So one of the ways that we can use to renew this, and I don't remember how it was done. It's kind of escaping me right now. But one of the tools that we could use for this is what's called Certbot. So Certbot is an agent that you run that will allow you to renew the key. So what I ran prior to starting this was, if you want to test to see if Certbot will be able to do the renewal automatically for you, you do a Certbot renew --drive--run. So when we ran this, you can see it's going out. It's looking in that renewal folder, and it's going to tell us that the renewal succeeded. So if we were to actually have attempted to do it, it looks like it would have been renewed. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to run it. So let me go back to the web page. I'm looking at TechSmith here because this was the page. This is what I'm using to record it. I'm using Camtasia to record this. So let's go to the Certbot page. And we can see here that these are the directions. So automated renewal. We expired for our last 90 days. So we want to renew it. So it says if it appears to be working correctly, we can renew by adding a cron job. I don't want to add a cron job, which runs the filing certbot renew quiet. So let's see what happens when we run this certbot renew quiet. I probably should back up the server before running anything. I can hear some of you screaming at me to do so, but you know how I roll. Alright, so certbot renew --quiet. Let me just scroll down so I can see. dash dash y. Make sure I have the syntax correct for that. Yeah. All right, let's see what happens. It's probably not going to give us any output because of that quiet flag is what I suspect. All right, looks like it worked. So one way to find out if it worked is to actually go to our OpenStack page. So let's go over here. And let's close this down. Let's open up a new browser. Paste that in and go. Let's go to dashboard. Boom, it worked. So it was that simple to update the HTTPS cert for the OpenStack server. So that was pretty pain-free. I promise in the future I'll find a way to back up the cloud before I touch it. And that was it. So I hope everybody checks it out. The next thing I'm going to do is we have to brand this landing page. And then hopefully I'm still waiting for some stuff to come with the servers, but I hope we'll be setting up and installing our servers and making the cage that we're in look pretty by getting some nice rails and, you know, putting up the wiring. So we're expecting a donation of servers relatively soon. So that concludes this, guys. You got any questions for me, let me know. I'm probably going to be doing the branding of it I'll be working on the branding sometime this week or early next week. All right, be well, guys.